Oh, hey, I'm Paul Grossman. I'm the Dark Arts Wizard up on Twitter, and I just wanted to let you know that I'll be speaking at a conference, the Virtual Community Days, hosted by Vivit. We're going to be doing that December 1st through 4th. I'm going to be telling you a little bit about how to do the magic object model and replacing elements with programmatic descriptions in UFT, how to override click methods, how to wait for a page to build and complete. And guess what? If you're not into UFT, that's okay. I'm going to do it also in Selenium with Java, and then we'll show you a few other tips and tricks, and we're going to show you a little bit about natural language processing with testRigor. So I hope you get a chance to join me there. As I said, December 1st through 4th. Check it out and have yourself a great day.